Okay, good morning.
Morning.
So this morning, by the grace of God, we'll be looking at the topic, demand for money. And at the end of this class, you'll be able to define demand for money, identify the motives for holding money. And if time permits, we'll also look at the value of money. What is demand for money? Demand for money. Demand for money is the desire to hold money in liquid form or in cash form rather than save it. Anytime you are holding money in liquid form rather than what? Save it. Liquid form here is talking about what? It's talking about in cash form. The word liquid form we are talking about in cash. The money you hold in your hand or in your pocket rather than what? Save it in the bank is referred to as what? Demand for money. In economics, you also call it liquidity preference. Liquidity preference in this context is referring to what? Referring to hold your money in what? In liquid form or in cash form. In cash form. Then there are various motives or reasons why people hold money. We call these motives of holding money. We have transactional demand. We have the one we call transactional demand. And we have precautionary demand. And we have what we call speculative demand. What is meant by transactional demand or what we call transactional motive? Here we are talking about the desire to hold money for the purpose of transaction. You are holding money for transactionary purpose or for the purpose of day-to-day transaction, e.g. food. We also have the one you hold for the case of what? For the sake of transportation to move from one place to another or whatever money you are holding for the purpose of what? Basic necessity for day-to-day basic necessity. That one is transactional motive. Apart from this, we also have other motives, we have other motives. Number 2, which is a precautionary motives. Here you are holding money for the purpose of what? Unforeseen circumstances or for the purpose of what they call it, exigencies, such as sickness, accident, or other other things that you don't prepare for. Then we have the third one, which is speculative motive. Here you are holding money for the purpose of what? Investment. You hold it anytime investment is attractive, you hold less. When investment is not attractive, you hold what? You hold more money. So because of the time, this is where we are going to bring it to an end today. By the grace of God, next class when we meet, we look at the value of money. Till then, I wish you all the best.